Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Don't forget for like, comment, share and subscribe. Uniglo or GLO Helium HNT and a Phantom FTM gaining transaction for Q3 2022. According to statistics, Bitcoin is becoming adopted in more and more areas of the world. Economy peer-to-peer transaction effective a significant source of income via YouTube. Via investment are all included in this implementation of our cryptocurrency is one of the newest and the most intriguing asset class accessible to investors. The main challenge for investors with is overwhelming as a core of selecting from among the thousands of available coins and tokens. We have created three projects that we predict will see exponential growth in 2023 to make the decision-making process as simple as possible. Uniglo, GLO, Helium, and HNT and Phantom FTM are the most promising options that are working on the cutting-edge innovation with the potential to disrupt the status quo. Let's learn a bit more about each of them. Uniglo GLO is a commodity-driven protocol that seeks to ensure the flow of its GLO token to a diverse collection of assets. It will preserve a Uniglo collection of assets. It will preserve a Uniglo vault for all community-acquired assets, such as digital currencies, non-fungible tokens, and other digital tangible treasure. This vault empowers token holders to own and attract a variety of assets partially. Moreover, token holders profit from this asset price increase, and the price of its GLO token may be an early indicator of how much Uniglo could Coinbase in the future. Helium HNT is the first Coinbase in the future. Is the first as a blockchain-based network for interest. This is a blockchain-based network for interest of think LO items. It utilizes mining nodes as the network, notably crypto venture capital firms 16Z and AL-Mubarok are backing the initiative. Being the first to market with this idea, it will be difficult for any company or DAO to cooperate this. And Alamanda are backing the initiative. Being the first to market with this idea, it will be difficult for any company or DAO to cut up. Expect foreign technology corporations like Google, a privately held company, will be widely acquired in the near future. Phantom FTM or Phantom was created to vulnerabilize its open source blockchain. Is the includes a market lending of resale like Scenic on a platform. And thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Bye guys, see you on the next time.